I've talked so much about new forms, but the truth is I'm just as much of a hack as everyone else. The poster on the fence proclaimed, a pale face framed by dark hair, proclaimed, framed, this is such garbage! Again, when the hero wakes up, the sound of rain, but everything else was real. The moonlit night is so cliche. It's easy for Dragore. With him, the neck of a bottle shines on the damn wall, and the mill wheel creates a dark shadow, and voila, he's got his moonlit night. But I have to have flickering light. And the quiet twinkling of stars. The sound of a piano dying out in the fragrant night air. God. So agonizing. Yes. I see the truth now. It's not a question of new or old forms. It lies in man's soul. What's that? I don't see anybody. Who's there? Nina! Nina! Nina, it's you! You! I've been feeling all day long. It's enough. She's come, my darlings. Don't cry. You mustn't cry.
Someone's here.
No one.
I'll lock the doors. They'll come in.
No one will come in.
I know Irina Nikolaevna is here. Lock the doors.
This one doesn't lock. I'll lock it with a chair. Don't be frightened. No one will come in.
Let me look at you. It's warm here. Good. This was the drawing room. Have I changed much?
Yes. You're thinner. And your eyes are bigger. Nina, it's so strange to see you. Why didn't you let me come visit you? Why did you wait until now to come here? I know you've been here almost a week. Several times a day I went to see you. I stood under your window like a poor beggar.
I thought that you hated me. Every night I dream that you see me and don't recognize me. If you only knew. I've been coming here every day since the moment I arrived. To the lake. I've been at your door so many times I just couldn't bring myself to come in. Let's sit. We'll sit and we'll talk. Talk. Listen. The wind. Turgenev has a passage. Happy is he who has a roof over his head and a corner to rest on such nights. Die, Seagull. No, it's not right. What did I start to say? Yes, Turgenev. May the Lord help all hopeless wanderers. It's stomach.
Nina, don't cry.
believe this. I had cried for 2 years. Yesterday, late in the evening, I went to the garden to see if our theater was still there. And it was. I cried for the first time in 2 years, and suddenly I felt more clear. You see, I'm not crying anymore. So you've become a writer. You're a writer. And I, an actress. We're both right in the middle of it. I was so happy as a child. I used to wake up each morning and sing. I loved you. I used to dream of glory, and now, tomorrow morning early, I have to go to Yollette's. 3rd class, the peasants. And in Yollette's, disgusting merchants who proclaim their love of art will paw me with compliments. Horrible.
Why Yollette's?
I've got an engagement for the whole winter. It's time to go.
Nina, I cursed you. I hated you. I tore up your letters and photographs, but I've always known that my soul is bound to yours forever. Nina, I don't have the strength to stop loving you. Ever since you left, my life has been miserable. I'm suffering. I feel like my youth has been taken from me. I feel like I'm 90 years old. I call out your name. I kiss the ground you walk on. I see your face everywhere. I see that tender smile that used to shine on me in the best years of my life.
Why do you talk to me like this? Why?
I'm so lonely. I don't feel close to anybody. I'm so cold, I feel like I'm living in a cave, and everything I write is cold and stale and dead. Nina, I beg you, stay here. Or at least let me go with you. Nina, why? For God's sake, Nina!
The carriage is waiting at the gate. Don't see me off. I'll go by myself. Give me some water.
Where are you going now?
To town. Is Irina Nikolaevna here?
Yes. On Thursday, my uncle got worse and we telegraphed her to come.
Why do you say you kiss the ground I walk on? I ought to be killed.